Welcome to the Property Management 101 channel. This channel is solely developed to create and share best practices, tips, and tricks in the property management industry. Be on the lookout through all of our videos for some additional bonus tips as well as pro tips. This channel is ideal for anyone that's a potential or current investor, or anyone that's a potential or current employee in the property management industry, as well as others might find it interesting what goes on in the day in and day out life of a property manager. We will be reviewing many different types of asset and demographic types. Some of the asset types we'll be covering are going to be garden style, high rises, mid rises, cottage style, and single family homes. And some of the demographic types are going to be Section 8, student, conventional, and commercial. If you're looking to get involved in this industry or you're already in this industry, please feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos. If you have any questions about any of my videos, feel free to comment, or if you have an idea for a video you'd like to see reviewed, feel free to comment. I'll be happy to address it for you. Happy leasing.